Yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Kari. I got a very special video today for you guys, if you couldn't tell by the title already. But first, I just wanted to give you this view of Medellín, Colombia, on what I might say has been the most beautiful day since I've been here. It was hardly any clouds in the sky today, which is rare for Medellín. It's always raining, but today it was completely cloudless and just beautiful blue skies all day, sunny views for days. And it's a little hot. It's like 82 degrees, 82, 85, somewhere around there. But yeah, man, with no further ado, let me flip this camera around. So, as you might know already, one of my friends just copped a brand new Mercedes here in Colombia. So he just called me up. He said they got everything taken care of, the paperwork, all that's done. And now he's about to come pick me up and show me his new car, man. So I'm super excited. This is a longtime friend of mine. You know, he's been grinding, working real hard for you know, his trophies, and what a trophy it is to have a Mercedes, especially here in Colombia. So hopefully he can tell us a little bit about the process and how that went, but mainly we're just gonna check out the car. And yeah, so he'll be here in a few minutes. We also are planning to get a haircut, I think at his house. I think we're gonna have a barber come to us and get some haircuts. But yeah, man, I'm super excited to see this car, because he was telling me he was getting it for a few days, because I'm sure it took a while to get all the paperwork. So sorry, a call just came in. But like I was saying, yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and head downstairs because I think he's about to be here. He just told me he's up the street. So let me get ready and get ready to check out this new Benz. I'm excited for my boy, man. I'm excited. We'll have a nice car to ride around in, because you know, rented a few cars here. I don't own a car here, but you know, rentals are usually like cheaper cars, Nissans, whatever. So it's been a while since I've been in like a luxury car, pretty much since I've been in the States. So yeah, man, I'm excited. So with no further ado, let's head downstairs and we'll be right back with you. All right, stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe right now. You feel me? Comment and subscribe right now. Show your boy some love. Let's go. Yo, YouTube, so with no further ado, here it is. Yes, sir. What's good, pimpin'? Check your boy out. Check your boy out. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Crazy, guys. It's bigger than I thought, too. And I kept it on the cover, 'cause I don't kiss and tell. How you liking it?
Love it, bro. Perfect for here, bro.
With the lights. Bro, so do you have to get, do you need insurance here?
Yeah, I paid yesterday.
Oh, you got insurance?
Yeah, full coverage. I paid double too.
How many days did it take you to do all the paperwork?
1 day.
1 day?
I got an estimate, and then they sent me a bill, and I just paid it through the factura. And I paid for the whole year up front.
That's dope.
Yeah, yesterday I did
All at once.
Yeah, all at once. 3.2 million. $1,000 for the year.
Crazy. I think the sound is good. It's not loud as you want it, but the quality is pretty good.
Media. cars and more rows too in the trunk. 7 passenger.
Jeez.
Good thing I didn't buy that.
Okay.
Good thing I didn't buy a Mazda.
Yeah. This just came out though, you know? I don't think last time when we were talking about it, they didn't even have this yet.
No. They only sold 5 in Colombian. At the dealership. There's only 5 right now, but there's a demand for it.
Oh, it's gonna be the new car, bro. It's gonna be
affordable, right?
It's gonna be the number
one. They raised it $4 million when I bought 870. 168.
So was the sales lady nice?
Yeah, she was alright. Just normal. Spoke full English.
Yeah.
Even the guy that want the fast forward.
Oh yeah, fast forward.
Mike Tower's like my favorite artist right now.
Yeah.
So there's no number 1 or 2. Let's do the paddle shifting now. See it? Paddle shifting.
Oh, it's quick up the hill, dude. With only a... Wow. It got up that hill, no problems. So I want to give you a good look at the car. You know, some of the... My gimbal's fucking up right now. But, that's the model. I know I'm going to get that question. GLB 200. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a look at the new place. I'm sorry, the new car. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with you.